Here we go. Let's look at Hot Moscow did it again. Again, this is familial values. What was this? And if you wanted me, you really should have shown.
What is this counting?
3, 2, 1.
Say bye.
Wearing like some big chunky Mary Janes, so honestly it's not even.
It's a video. It's the last day on campus. Bye.
I guess we'll never know.
Whoever says they like Brisk needs to have a lobotomy. That's like, who's funding Brisk? Clearly them, but like genuinely, like who's out there? What brand is out there going on?
Can we vape in here? It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god. Yo, it's okay.
You're the cutest little girl. You're the cutest little girl.
I need this in a vlog. She's like giving you the. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. You're fine. You're fine. Yeah. Man didn't even touch his food.
I had too many biscuits.
Mundi facing, leaning.
Oh, you got it. Go for it.
Over the top. 1, 2, 3, cheers!
I'm about to fucking get it swollen. Ronna, can you do my phone after?
Veronica Da Silva.
Cheers.
Oh, are we doing boomerang?
You wormy. Are you enjoying the circus?
This is the craziest shit I've ever seen in my fucking life. The craziest. Yeah.
We're in Montreal.
Chicago.
We're not in Chicago.
We are in Chicago.
Okay. We're here. Yo, V, can I have your rib?
Yeah. Give me a second.
Thank you.
Yes.
Look, you got me choking.
Very demure. Cheers.
You are now watching the throne. Don't let me get in my zone. Don't let me get in my zone. Solo. It's just super fun. Oh my god.
Go for it. Yes, Sammy.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I can do a better cardio with you.
They're not that bad.
My freaking bad.
Space, bros.
Want to sit behind Beatrice?
Where do you want me to
What's
sit?
wrong? What did you just watch?
So like, oh, 10. You know what? Wait! That's not bad!
That's not women.
My eyes, and they're moving across the page.
Today we take Devon!
All the wine sailors, it's here. Gaia.
Cheers. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Wow.
I am now the king of burgers.
Okay, but to be fair, it took him so long. Pose.
Okay, Bill's character.
Woo! Whoa!
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I got your engine on here, but okay. All right, folks. Yeah,
Tastes better in the nighttime.
Need that.
Yes! Sarah, bro.
Hoping I get recognized and I can be a star.
I'm so jealous. You said that. What do you know about Tiffany and Co? You said that. Stop.
Oh my god.
It looks like poop. Oh my god, is that gonna stain my Sylvester? What's his face shirt? What's his name?
Look how beautiful! But now I'm just rolling home into my lover's arms. This much I know is white people talk of night.
I made this one. It made the pepperoni one. And ooh, my toe. And obviously mine is way better.
Watch the flop.
Wow. All right.
Playing as Harry Styles from circa 2010.
Who do you think gave you the teeth, love?
Move to the top and I hit unlocked.
Where's Purple?
These look like kids.
They are.
Get ready for the Bills game, right? So I'm gonna chug this, and I'm gonna chug this, and I'm gonna wait. Yeah? Go, go, go.
He said it's That's nasty because it's hot. It's so nice. What are you talking about?
Underperforming by
Election day.
I did it. I
Yes, good job, Laura. Wait, guys, getting into Wicked. Oh, Wicked. Wow.
Yeah, we don't want
Joey and
can call me on my cell phone.
You genuinely outdid yourself.
Thank you.
Pat yourself on the back.
Oh my god, what cheese is it?
So should I not be filming right now? No. Oh, sorry. Sarah, get this, get this.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry.
Come closer, come closer.
So you want to tell the audience what you made?
No, they could see it.
Okay. Happy New Year! Go.
Happy New Year, Toronto. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Toronto. Happy New Year, Steve. Everyone watching. My wife has been asleep for 3 hours.